All right, we done made it down here. Well, back up here to Palm Coast. We made it to this little decent, nice subdivision out here. Already done scrap. Turned the skid steer on, got it warming up. I'm gonna get ready to get on this machine and offload this load. I will run the camera. I got a headset came I got to use. I used it once for Christmas, but I got to get used to how to mount the camera like that. But I don't know, when I turn that machine up, y'all might not be able to hear me talk. So next time I'm on the machine or something like that, I'll let y'all ride with me on the machine or whatever. Blase, then y'all see how I handle all that stuff. Other than that, once we get this off, we got to shoot to Palaco about 30 miles. And then got to get some diesel because we about to run out of fuel. So we get some diesel, and then we'll shoot 10 minutes up the road. We're gonna get loaded with drywall again, go to the house, get some sleep, and we're gonna do it all again tonight. See you later.